Welcome to my backyard. This is Gardening with Stacey. So today guys, it's another in the series, One Day in My Garden. What do gardeners do in the garden? It has been raining all night and I am loving it. Not to mention my plants. So as you know, I cleared out a lot of stuff from my garden. I sowed a lot of seeds. Some of them didn't turn out great. I did not catch everything on camera, but I sowed some seed directly. I'm going to just give you a little close up of what is happening. I'm wearing this little cap because it's still drizzling a little messy and stuff, but it is what it is. I'm just going to show you what's going in. So this right here, guys, is my compost drum. As you can see, a lot of water catch in it. So I have this plastic over it that I put over it to, cover it and secure it so that things don't go in it and so forth. But the rain was pouring so much. You see, it filled with water, but the good thing about it, it's in the plastic. I'm just going to get these buckets here and pour the water in. Pour the water in like this. Before I go further, let me just set them in a way that I won't have to move them again. So it's all in the bag. What I've been getting, all in the bag. I still have some more to go. So this is the fertilizer that I'm making inside here. Over here, I have some radishes growing right here. So as you can see, these were sown directly and they're coming up nicely. But as you can see, they need to be rooted properly. So I'm just going to push them down a little like that and pat it down. I'm just pushing them down so that they can root properly because they are just a little above the soil. If you don't know how to do this, it's okay to just uproot them and plant them back. Nothing is wrong with that. But because I get used to doing this, it's not a biggie for me. So I don't damage my plants. So what I do is like I come to close to the side of the plant like this, and then I just push it down like that. That's what I do. So over time, if you start to do it, eventually you'll get it. So you just have to be careful not to damage your plant. So that's just basically what I'm doing right here. My phone is getting wet. So, those are the strawberries coming up. Not looking bad at all. Let me show you these. So these are the marigolds, guys. So that's the update on them. They are not looking bad at all. These I transplanted just the way they are now. And they're looking pretty good. So that worked out for me. The corns are coming up. Let me show you the... Oh, I'm going to plant these. Look at the roots. These are my sweet potatoes. Look at this one. Nice. I'm going to plant these. Right time to plant them in the rain. Over there, I'm going to put them in that bag over there. So these are the zinnias, guys. Looking good, don't it? So let's get those sweet potatoes in the soil. Soon I will be seeing if I get anything from this sweet potato. Very soon. I really hope so, guys. Because I am going to be disappointed if I don't get anything from it. That's how I control my running plants, guys. I redirect them. So when they decide to stray, I just redirect them to stay in their lanes. Looking lush, guys. So let me get some cabbage seeds in the ground. And that's it for today, guys. Until next time, walk good.